Dear students, in today's class 4 maths class, I will explain you chapter 9 measurement. In this chapter, we learn about various units of measuring length, weight and capacity. Convert metric units of length, weight and capacity from one unit to another unit. Add and subtract metric measurements. Students, you know very well the standard unit of length in metric system is meter and unit of mass in metric system is gram and the standard unit of capacity in metric system is liter. Okay, these are the standard units, but some are higher units and some are lower units of these standard units. Always remember the higher units are kilometer, hectometer and decameter. In the same way, higher units of gram are kilogram, hectogram and decagram. But higher units of capacity, decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. Now come to lower units. Lower units of length, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Lower units of mass, decigram, centigram, milligram and lower units of liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. In this lesson, we also learn how to convert higher units into lower units. Always remember students, when you are going to convert higher units of length to lower units, we always multiply by the multiples of 10. Okay. But when you convert lower units of length to higher unit, we always divide. Okay. Now look at this. When you are going to convert meter into centimeter, meter is a higher unit than centimeter. So always remember, when you multiply, when you are going to convert meter into centimeter, always multiply the numbers by 100. And when you convert higher unit into lower unit, in the same way, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now look at this. These points are to be remembered. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, because in this case you are converting centimeter into meter, means lower unit into higher unit. Then divide the numbers by the multiples of 10. 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometer. Now look at these, fill in the blanks. 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeter. 7 kilometer is equal to 7000 meter. 37 kilometer is equal to 37,000 meter. 5 meter 36 centimeter is equal to, you know very well, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter, and 36 is, we add 36 also. Answer will be 536 centimeter. Simple addition of numbers. Here 32 meters 25 centimeter and the another number is 15 meter 36 centimeter. It is very simple beta. Add the number in a very easy way. 5 plus 6, you know very well, 11. 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5 1 6, 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 4. Very simple questions. In the same way, if in the question 3 units are given, 44 kilometers 29 meter 5 centimeter. The another number is 13 kilometers 110 meters 38 centimeter. And the third number is 9 kilometers 5 meter and 17 centimeter. First of all, write in proper column arrange in proper column and then add the numbers. When you add these numbers, you will get 66 kilometers, 144 meters and 60 centimeter. Now subtraction. You also follow the same rules. Higher numbers on the upper side and lower numbers on the lower side. 65 meters, 56 centimeter, 14 meter, 25 centimeter. When you subtract the 14 centimeter in 25 centimeter from 65 meter 56 centimeter, you will get 51 meter and 31 centimeter. Now kilogram and gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, you know very well. 3 kilograms is equal to 3 multiplied by 1000, get 3000 grams. 6 kilograms, 625 grams. Again convert this 6 kilograms into grams. 6 kilograms means 6 multiplied by 1000 gram, you get 6000 gram. Then add this 650 grams also, you will get 6625 grams. Now liter and milliliter. Here express the following in liters and milliliters. The number given is 4000 meter. When you are going to convert this 4000 meter, you know very well 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. It means 4000 milliliter is equal to 4 liter. Second number is 5978 milliliter. You know very well in milliliter, in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliters. So without dividing you can get the answer. Count 3 zeros, 3 digits from left to right side. These 3 numbers are milliliters and the remaining number is liter. This is the shortest way to solve these questions. In this question 5978 means from the left to right 879. These are the milliliters and 5 is the liter. Again another number 72,580 milliliters. In this case also 72 are the liters and 580 is the milliliter. This is all for today. Okay, thank you बच्चों. Okay, bye bye. Bye beta.